Hey everyone, welcome back to Wixfix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In a previous video, I showed you guys how you can create a nice little side menu that links to different sections on your page, which this would be great for like a terms of service, privacy policy, or even a custom FAQ page. And I got a lot of you that were interested in seeing how we can do this inside the classic editor. And if you didn't see this video, I'll make sure to link it in the description below. But I got a lot of you interested in seeing how you can do something like this inside the classic editor. So I figured we could do that for today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I would like to set up is our different sections. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is come over to this add button and press add strip. We're just going to add a blank strip for now. And I'm going to open up the toolbar, give us a height of like 800 pixels for now. And I'm also going to go ahead and press layout, and I'm going to add a column. Now that we have two columns, what I want to do is come into the layout, and I want to give us maybe a 40-60 split, something like this. That way we have a little bit more room for content over here, and you can adjust that as needed. You can choose whatever split you would like, but for now, this is what I'm going to do. And now what I want to do is just go ahead and add some text. I'm going to call this one section 1. And then I'm also going to go ahead and add a paragraph. And we'll make sure the paragraph is kind of covering the whole section. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste in some lorem ipsum. And we'll go ahead and bring this section up just a little bit like this. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and select the section, and I'm going to copy and paste it. I'm going to bring this one right underneath the other one, and we'll call this one section 2, and we'll do that 2 more times. Now what I would like to do is go ahead and set some anchors. So in order to do that, we're going to come over to the add panel. We're going to go to menu and anchors, and we're just going to drag out this one right here. We'll put it at the very top of the section, and we'll call this section 1. We'll go down to section 2 and follow the same steps. So we'll add another one, put it at the very top of the section. We'll call this one section 2. We'll go down to section 3, follow the same steps. And we'll call this one section 3. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and do this for section 4 as well. Great, now we have basically the full page complete, but the only thing left to do is we need a menu over here that will follow us down the page and will link to each one of these different sections that we have created. So what we want to do is come over to add, we'll go to menu and anchor, and we're going to go to anchor menu. And basically what an anchor menu is it's a menu that is basically pinned to the screen, and it will follow us down the page just like this. And the cool thing is it automatically chooses the sections that we have created or the anchors that we have placed on the page as the menu items. And if we go ahead and select this menu, we can press the pin to screen. We'll align it to the left and maybe give us a little bit more space, something like this. And maybe we can go ahead and send it up just a little bit like that. Actually, I'm going to scroll up to the top of the page, and I kind of want to align it with the top of section 1. So I'm just kind of eyeballing it right here. So just a little bit down, just like that. And we'll go ahead and push it over to the left quite a bit. Just like that. And then we can go ahead and press design, which you can choose any of these that you would like. But what I would do is probably bump up the text to maybe 26, maybe 24, something that's not crazy big. And if we grab this little box right here and pull it down a little bit, you're going to see that it's kind of adjusting the spacing between the items. And of course, if you would like, you can go into the text or the design and change the text and the colors. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is come over to manage menu, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn off top of page because we don't need that one. And if you have any other anchors that you would like, the cool thing is when you press add anchor, it's already going to add an anchor to the page, and you can drag this wherever you would like, but I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. But now if I go ahead and press preview, if I press section 3, it's going to take us down here, section 2, section 4, and section 1, it will take us right back to the top, just like that. But that basically wraps it up for the video today. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.